to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a review video for you. About 2 years ago, I discovered a designer called Lash Design, and they designed these adorable eyelash cushions. Now, guys, if I was going to be famous for anything, you'd know that I love to decorate with these adorable cushions. I have the silver one, which I purchased about 2 years ago, and I also purchased last year a burgundy one. Now, Lash Design recently reached out to me and asked me to do a review video on them because they've actually upgraded the way they make their eyelashes. So they sent me, guys, this adorable leopard print one. Now, how cute is this? This stole my little glam heart. Now, she wanted me to point out to you guys that these cushions that she's now currently making have a different fabric, which is a much better fabric for the eyelashes. Now, here's the one that I purchased probably about 2 years ago, and it was a much softer fabric in the eyelashes and could get a little tangled. So she heard that from her buyers and decided to upgrade. Now, this fabric is so much better, guys, and will definitely not tangle. She also sent me another silver one, also with the better eyelashes. These, guys, are absolutely stunning. They would look perfect in your bedroom. You could put them in your beauty room. Now, she doesn't just design eyelash cushions, guys. She also designs canvases that you can hang up with the pretty little eyelashes on them. She's also got, now you can get personalised cushions where she'll put a name up the top. So I'm thinking I might order one with Shell's Glam Home written at the top. And I just think they are absolutely stunning. Now, guys, if you're interested in one of these adorable cushions, I have a discount code that she's been so generous to give me for all of my subscribers. And the code is SHELL10, which is CHELLE 10, and you'll get 10% discount off your order at checkout just by mentioning me, guys. Wouldn't you love to have one of these amazing cushions in your home? Valentine's Day is coming up, guys. This would be a wonderful gift idea. You could give one to your best friend, your auntie, your mum. You might even want to just give one to yourself. How adorable would these look, guys, in your beauty room, as an accent pillow on your bed? Your little glam heart needs to have one of these in your life. So, guys, I'll leave a link down below to her Etsy store as well as her Instagram page. And don't forget to use that 10% discount, guys, because who doesn't love a discount on something so pretty? Now, I'm going to show you all different ways that I've styled these cushions. I love walking around my home and finding different ways to style them and incorporate them in my glam decor. But you don't have to be a glam girl, guys. These would look beautiful just about in any home. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to see you purchase one of these and add it to my Instagram, guys, and show me that you've purchased one, because it would make me so happy to see these also in your home. So until next time, my friends, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.